Good morning, everybody. How are you all today? So today, ma'am is going to teach you a new topic, and that is our body. We are going to study about our body today. Our body is made up of many parts called organs. Our body is made up of many parts called organs. Children, what do you see on your body here? Some eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, right children? Like the plants have many parts, and we have many parts too. Our body has many parts, and the parts that we can see are known as external organs. The parts of the body which we can see are known as external organs. And which are those organs? Eyes, ears, nose, head, hands, feet, and whatever we can see are known as external organs. Children, now we will come to know what their functions are. What does our eyes help us to do? Our eye helps us to see. With the eyes, we see. With the ears, we hear. With the nose, we breathe. We breathe in oxygen. With the feet, we walk and run. With our hands, we write, do work, and eat food. And so, the various parts of the body have a special function to perform. Then, the organs inside our body, which we cannot see, These organs, which we cannot see with our eyes, are known as internal organs. So, internal organs and external organs. The organs which we can see, eyes, ears, nose, hands, feet, they are known as external organs, and organs which we cannot see with our eyes are known as internal organs, such as brain, heart. See, our heart is breathing. Put your hand on your left side and you see your heart is breathing. Thak, 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 thak. Yes, children, you're breathing. Your heart breathes. And we'll study about stomach, lungs. They are inside our body, but each part perform a special function. So first we'll come to know about brain, which is inside our head. Right, children? What is a brain? What functions do they perform? Yes, they control the entire body. So they are known as control system. Yes, the brain is the control system of the entire body. Okay, they help us to think, remember, and learn things. Okay, they help us to think, learn, and remember things. Okay, we eat our food through our mouth. Okay, we eat our food through our mouth, and it passes through our food pipe and goes into a bag-like organ, which is known as stomach. The food passes from our mouth to the food pipe and goes into a bag-like organ known as stomach. What does a stomach do? The stomach digests the food. The stomach does the function of digesting the food. Now children, heart on your left side, right children? What does it do? It pumps the blood to the entire body. The heart pumps blood to the entire body. Yes children? Then we have two lungs. What do they do? The lungs help us to breathe the oxygen. The lungs help us to breathe the oxygen. Right, children? So it has a specific function. So now we have done about brain, we have done about heart, we have done about stomach, we have done about the lungs. And I think for children, this is enough. You need to know about these many things. And ma'am has told you about it. Now children, I would love to talk to you about the sense organs. We have 5 sense organs in our body. We have 5 sense organs in our body, and they are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. And do you know, children, that skin is the largest organ in our body, biggest organ? Yes, the skin is the biggest organ in our body. Okay? So we have 5 sense organs, and they are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the skin. What does the eyes help us to do? It helps us to see. Eyes helps us to see. Nose to breathe. Ears to hear. Ears help us to hear. And the tongue. Wow, we taste the food with our tongue. And we feel, oh, this is so tasty food. Isn't that so? Oh, this is bitter. I don't like it. And this is sour. I don't like it much. Sweet food, very tasty food. I love them. And the skin, children, to talk about the skin, yes, we feel with the help of our skin. Whether the thing is cold, if we put ice to it, it is cold. If we put something hot over it, we feel it hot. So there are 5 sense organs, naming eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the skin, which is the biggest organ found in our body. So now for our values. Children, God has given us everything, and we are all hale and hearty. We should look after our body very nicely. If we fall sick, we should instantly go and show ourselves to the doctor, because it should be hale and hearty. We can't do without any organ. But if we don't care for ourselves, then we'll fall sick and something might go wrong. So always take care of your body. Children, not only us, those who cannot see, walk, run, we should help those people too. They are special people and they don't have things, special organs with them. So we should help them. Is it clear? Firstly, we should take care of our body. When fallen sick, we should go immediately to the doctor and take the prescription and eat the medicine, so that we become hale and hearty again. Okay? And if we find somebody around us is not well, cannot see, cannot walk, cannot do any work, we should help that person. Okay? Remember? Okay then. See you in another topic. Bye-bye till then.